Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Tonight I'm pretty excited to announce that we will be doing our first giveaway. It's going to be for a set of Lasfit turn signals. They were generous enough to give us a set for this giveaway. I'm very grateful to them. Thank you very much, Lasfit. I appreciate all the help and support you've given me so far. I'm going to show you what they look like. So right now, here's the car. Give me 1 second, I'll turn the camera around. So these are the rear turn signals I'm talking about. They're LEDs, error-free, super bright. I'll show you a video, or a clip rather, of the before and after of these, just so you can see the difference from stock to these and what they do and just what the bulb looks like. Alright guys, so there's just going to be a couple of rules. Number 1 rule, you must be a subscriber to the channel. Number 2, give the video a like and comment in the video. The comment, if you want to enter into it, please write enter me with your make and model of your Accord. And the last and final rule is you must be a US resident that the bulbs will be getting shipped to. So that's it as far as rules, pretty simple. Just make sure you're a subscriber, like the video, comment, enter me in it with your make and model number, and must be a US resident. That's it, pretty simple, straightforward. The bulbs will be 100% free to you, no charge. Lasfit will ship them directly to you. Once you give me your address, I will forward it to them. They'll ship them right out, and you'll get them probably within a week of the end of the contest. The contest will be ending a week from tomorrow, which is Sunday. So the contest will end on January 17th. I will announce the winner that day. So Saturday night at 12 a.m., which would be Sunday morning, I will close the contest, and sometime during the Sunday I will select the winner randomly, and I'll announce it on that video for that night. I would just like to thank you guys for your continued support. And as the channel grows, the giveaways will get better, the content will get better, the mods to the car will keep improving. I'll do more things to the car, more stuff out of the box hopefully, and we'll just keep going from there. It's just a growing thing right now, so I'm very happy that I am where I am right now. I'm grateful to everyone that's helped me along the way, because without subscribers and you guys, it wouldn't be possible. So thanks a lot again, and I'll talk to you guys next Sunday. Remember to always like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time, guys. Thanks a lot.